To exclude a group, let's first create a campaign. Give the campaign a name and click Next. Now choose one of the editors. I'll go with the new drag and drop editor. Edit the campaign to your liking and click Done Editing. So here are all of your subscribers, your segments, and your groups. If you do not have any segments and want to learn more about segments, please see the segments video for that. Once you create your segments, you can exclude them here, and you can exclude your groups here by just clicking this here. And this is useful for situations where you have the same subscribers in two different groups, but want to send to one group, or you sent to one group by mistake instead of sending it to both of the groups, and then you want to send it to the other group, but you don't want the subscribers who are in both groups to get the newsletter again. So what you can do in those cases is, for example, you want your initial plan was to send it to two groups, but for some reason you only send it to one group, you send it to this one. What you can do is you can duplicate the newsletter and then send it to the second group you initially wanted to send the newsletter to, and just exclude the first group. So all the people who are in this group, but who are also duplicated in this group, will not get the newsletter. So that's very handy. And of course, just so you know, if you have the same subscriber in many different groups, and you click all these groups and you send it to all these groups who have similar subscribers, you can always rest assured and know that the subscribers will only get that newsletter once, even if they're in multiple groups. So hope this exclude feature is something that will be helpful to you, or at least is very helpful to know in these rare cases when you do something by mistake, or you just don't want to send it to a specific group. For example, if you have a blacklist group of subscribers you never want to send to. If subscribers you don't want to send to will sign up on different types of forms and different types of groups, you don't have to worry. You just create one blacklist group, exclude that group, and those subscribers will not get the newsletter, even if they're in those other groups. So again, hope that was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.